10 million eh. Mura to for Himalayan. The cutest bag we found. 5.2 million pesos. Charm lang to hindi yan bag. Those are for the billionaires. Wow, Himalayan! This is Kelly 28 Himalayan. Palladium hardware. Actually, palladium lagi yung combination ng Himalayan. Wala pa akong nakitang gold. 14 million Japanese yen. 5.2 million in pesos. Himalayan. Parang good deal yun sa Himalayan. Kasi yung ibang maabot pa ng 10 million eh. Mura to for Himalayan, 5.2 million pesos. Ito 25 crocodile. 9 million in Japanese yen in pesos. That's 3,350,000 pesos. Kelly doll na charms. 750,000 pesos Japanese yen. 279,000 pesos. Kelly doll na charm. Ang cute. Charm lang to hindi yan bag. Yung sinasabit-sabit lang sa mga bags. This is a vintage Kelly na merong diamond sa turn lock niya. That's 12 million in Japanese yen. 4,465,000 pesos. Ganda. Rare kasi to. Ito yung original na Kelly. This is Birkin Hack 40. Kaya siya hack kasi patayo yung size niya. Kasi normal yung Birkin palapad. Ang dami naghahanap nito ng mga men. This is limited edition. Yung price niya 6 million Japanese yen. In pesos, around 2.2 million pesos. Ayan, mini Kelly Lizard. 6 million in Japanese yen. 2,200,000 in pesos. That's mini Kelly Blue Sapphire Gold Hardware. Dream ko magka-lizard na mini Kelly. Ayun naman to, vintage mini Kelly. Ganito yung itsura ng mga vintage na mini Kelly before. So, nasa million pa rin siya. Kapag i-convert mo into peso, 1.3 million pesos pa rin siya. Yan yung original na mini Kelly. Yung mini Kelly kasi ngayon na bago, ganito na lang kaliit. So, yung original pala, yung mga vintage na mini Kelly, wala pala silang long strap. Talagang handheld lang siya, parang ganito. Micro ba to, Nano? Ang cute eh. Bag charm lang to. Pero feeling ko kasha yung coins dyan. Tsaka lipstick.
Ang cute niya nga, no?
Ang cute niya. The cutest bag we found here in Tokyo.
Parang it can be a charm pa for the mini Kelly.
Oo nga. 470,000 Japanese yen, around 180,000 pesos for a bag charm. Uy, double flap! Ang cute. Ang cute niya. Ano lang siya. Hanggang dito lang yung strap niya. Kasya dito yung lipstick, coins, and an ounce of your patience. Microchip siya.
But that's still new, actually.
Oo.
Still new.
Ang cute. So this is brand new Stamp K Black Palladium hardware, the hardest to get now in the market. This one sells for around 1.8 million in pesos. So never pa kami nagkaroon ng Birkin 25 in Black Palladium hardware sa Philippines kasi nga sobrang hard to get niya. Meron dito nag-iisa, pero ayaw bilhin ni Sis Mark. Ay, tingnan nyo. Kelly siya. Pero wala siya yung long strap na nakatayo. But this is Kelly. This is exotic leather crocodile. Sells for 6,363,000 Japanese yen. So in peso, that's 2.4 million. Tapos ito pa, exotic leathers pala are not tax-free. Tapos itong sa likod niya, the vintage mini Kelly ulit. So mas mahal pa to. This is 2.5 million, yung red. In crocodile.
Ito, ano po?
This is Constance 18 studded. Cloté. Cloté daw in French or simply means studded. Around 1.7 million. Sikat talaga tong Amore. Si Kim Kardashian nagpunta na rin dito. Ay, nagpunta pala si Mark dito. Yung Amore talaga sikat sila for vintage pieces. Yung mga limited edition, dito mo siya makikita. So this is Nano Constance. Discontinued piece from year 1992. Ang cute niya. Cute din ng price. Joke lang. Opposite yung price niya, hindi cute. Although discounted na daw siya from the original retail price. Less 10% daw. And another less 10% for tax. Papatak around 606,000 pesos. Itong Amore talaga is more on for collectors. Kasi yung mga collection nila dito, yung mga hindi mo normally mahanap sa pre-love market. Normally, mga highly sought after, mga discontinued piece, like this one, the Nano Constance. Yan. This is also cute. Ito yung padlock ng Hermes eh. And then this one, please don't touch. Because these are all exotic leathers. Buffalo leather.
Buffalo.
So this is discontinued na. No? They no longer
Yeah,
produce
for-
it. 1,690,000. They no longer produce the buffalo. If you're a collector, this is a must-have. Pero yung price, naka-price na rin yung mga regular leather na brand new. So trivia yon, before wala silang mga CITES for the exotic leather. So hindi natin alam kung kailan nag-start yun. Pero ngayon lahat ng mga exotic leather meron ng mga CITES. Except for the ostrich leather. CITES is the certificate for exotic leather. Ay, mga mini Kelly ulit. Ang cute. Ay, Kelly doll. Dream ko din yan, yung Kelly doll. This is already a vintage Kelly doll. Year 2000. So this is the micro mini, not mini Kelly, micro Kelly. So meron palang micro Kelly before. So they only produce it for just one season, I guess. So this is the vintage mini Kelly, size 20. But this is a longer yung top handle niya than the current version. It's wider but the length is just the same, size 20. And it comes with the long strap. Actually, mas maganda yung ganitong version eh, kasi you can wear it on the crook of your arm, right? As opposed dun sa bagong version, sobrang liit ng top handle. So ganyan mo lang siya i-carry lagi, yung bagong version. 2,980,000, so around 1.1 million. So for collectors, diba, kung gusto mo nang meron ka ng original mini Kelly. Thank you, Miss. Amore. So this is Amore. Sikat ng Amore. Pupunta nga dito si Kim Kardashian tsaka si Mark De Roca. So meron na palang mini garden party tote even before. Nire-revive lang nila yung mga design from the previous seasons. Amore are for those collectors. Meron kasing mga categories ng buyer. So ako, the usual buyer. Wala pa ako sa collectors. Those are for the billionaires. Ah, nga, let's go. Thank you so much.